Hi everyone, welcome to yet another interesting and informative video by About Technology. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about connecting devices that we use while networking, that is, a hub, switch and a router. Understanding the functionalities of these networking devices, we will also discuss differences between them. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hub is a physical layer device that connects bunch of networking devices together on an internal network. Hub has multiple input ports that it join electrically. Whenever data arrive on any of this input port, it is simply copied to all the other ports. And if data arrive on the same time, they will collide just as they would collide on coaxial cable. All Ethernet connection connected to hub must operate at the same speed. Hub is not considered as a smart device, as it does not filter any data, nor does it amplify the incoming signals. It is even not able to decide on exactly which port the arrived data must be sent. Whenever the data arrive on any of its port, the hub simply broadcasts data to all the connected devices even when it is not required, and this results in wastage of bandwidth. The next networking device that we have to discuss is switch. Switch is a data link layer device that is somewhat intelligent than hub. Like hub, switch has multiple ports that accept Ethernet connection from network devices connected together on an internal network. Now, a switch only sends data to a single device it is intended for, instead of broadcasting it to all the connected devices. It does so by maintaining a table that holds physical address of the devices connected to it. Whenever a data packet arrives at the port of switch, it checks the header of data packet and identifies for which connected device the packet is for, and direct it to the intended destination port. In this way, it reduces the unwanted traffic on the network. Just like hub, the switch is even not able to read the IP address present in the header of data packet. That's why it's not able to exchange data outside the own local area network. Next comes the router. First of all, router is a network layer device. Now, router can process IP address present in the header of data packet, and thus it is able to exchange data outside their own network also. Whenever a router receives a data packet, it determines the destination IP address of that packet and tries to identify whether the packet is for its own network or meant for some another network. If packet is meant for its own network, it accepts the data packet, else it forwards it off to another network. Knowing these networking devices in detail, let us figure out differences between them. If we talk about the layer on which these devices operate, then hub is a device that operates on physical layer. Switch operates on data link layer, as it examines the link layer address and uses them to identify intended device for which the packet has arrived. Router operates on network layer, as it has to forward the data packet from one network to another network. If we talk about the function, when a data packet arrives at hub, it broadcasts that data packet to all the connected devices. However, in switch, when a data packet arrives at switch, it forwards the data packet to intended destination port only. And when a data packet arrives at router, it identifies whether the packet is meant for its own network or not. If yes, it accepts that data packet. If no, it forwards the data packet to another network. If we talk about the use, hub and switches are used to exchange data within their own local area network. However, routers are used to exchange data outside their own local area network, such as to other LAN or MAN or WAN. If we talk about addresses, hub has nothing to do with the addresses present in the header of data packet. However, switch functions based on the MAC addresses of the devices connected to it. Router functions on the IP address present in the header of any data packet. If we talk about the transmission mode, hub operates on half duplex mode. So, each device in network can both transmit and receive, but not at the same time. Switch operates on both half and full duplex mode. So, each device in network can both transmit and receive, that too at the same time. However, the router operates on full duplex mode, where the device can transmit and receive at the same time. If you like this video, please share this with your friend and family, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel About Technology. Keep checking the channel for further updates and put your comment and queries in the section below. We'll be back again soon with a new video. Till then, take a good care of yourself.